Holiday cheer, it's far and it's near, it's lighting the way to Santa. The best time of year, with magical reindeer shining the light towards Santa. He's gone real far and we must find him. The gingerbread man runs quick, but we can catch him. We'll find him, my dear, we'll spot that white beard. We'll find him and we'll bring him back home just in time to bring gifts to all the children this year. Spread some holiday cheer.
Good morning. I interrupt this special program to bring you troubling breaking news. Santa Claus has gone missing.
What? Turn that up.
That's right. Santa is missing. He was last seen yesterday evening at a holiday party near Lake Tahoe, but according to Mrs. Claus, he hasn't returned home, and there's no sign of his reindeer sleigh. Mrs. Claus has released the following statement.
If anyone has seen Mr. Claus, please let us know. The elves and I are worried sick about him. If we don't find him today, I'm not sure how we will deliver all these gifts to the children around the world by tomorrow morning.
Bummer. We have to do something.
Huh?
Us? We have to help find him. How are we going to find him?
I don't know, but it's time to save Santa. Who's with me? They did say he was last seen near Lake Tahoe. Maybe he's still here.
Let's go look around town and see if we can find any clues.
Who are you, Nancy Drew? Hey, it's a great idea. Let's go. No time to waste. Christmas is tomorrow.
Hey, wait, shouldn't we ask one of our parents for a ride? I'm not sure how to get into town on my own.
They're all busy cooking and getting ready for tomorrow. I've seen the big kids take that path through the forest to get into town. All right, let's go.
Are you sure you know the way?
We'll figure it out. How hard can it be?
It's so cold.
Brr. It's pretty dark too. I don't see the town lights. Are you sure you're going the right way? Me? I was following you. What? I was following you.
Don't look at me. I didn't even think we should go down this way to begin with.
You said you knew the way. I don't know the way. I seen the way. I thought you were leading.
You said you knew.
No, he said he knew. Hey, don't blame me. I thought we were going the right way.
Hey! What's the heated argument about, folks?
Huh?
Who said that?
It seems that you're lost. I'm a little lost too. You see, my sleigh crashed over here, in the forest. I managed to fix the rail that fell off, but...
Your sleigh? He's one of Santa's reindeer.
Well, duh. Didn't you see my big red nose?
Rudolph!
None other.
You must know where Santa is.
Well, that's my problem. My sleigh has a tracking device linked to Santa's boots, so I can always find him. But it's not working after my crash. He and the gingerbread man were celebrating at various holiday parties around the world today. The gingerbread man runs so fast, he can circle the globe in an instant.
Wow!
I always wondered how Santa got around so quickly. Must be magic.
It's all powered by holiday cheer, just like the sleigh. I'm supposed to pick Santa up and bring him back to the North Pole in time to deliver all the gifts tonight. But without this device, I don't know how I'll ever find him.
Where in the world? Where is Santa? Where did he go? Where is Santa? Is he okay? And will we ever find him? Where in the world? Where is Santa? Hey, she's kind of a computer whiz. Let her take a look at that tracking device. Yeah, I've been coding since I was 3. My mom works at Tesla.
Sure, you can have a crack at it. I've tried everything.
Have you tried turning it off and back on again?
Actually, no. Good idea.
Let's do a hard reset. Hey, did you see that? Yeah, it showed a red boot in Seattle. Did you see it?
Really? Are you sure?
Yeah.
That must be where Santa is. Do you think you can get that thing to work again? He might still be on the move. That gingerbread man travels fast. You simply can't catch him sometimes.
Well, maybe I've seen a design like this before. I can't even find the...
Never mind. If there's a chance, you're coming with me. To
save Santa!
Oh man, where are we now?
This thing is glitching out again. We're in the middle of nowhere. I don't think we're ever going to find Santa. I hope he's okay.
Hey, I'm right here.
Santa! Yay!
We found him!
Breaking news, everybody. Santa has been found. And just in time for Christmas Eve night. I tell you, we were getting worried. Santa, where have you been?
I was just catching some R&R at my favorite beach after all the holiday parties around the world, and before my big night. I had no idea I had caused such a commotion.
I should have known you'd come here to my home island, our favorite beach spot. The tracking device was broken, and we didn't know where to find you to bring you to the North Pole in time for Christmas.
Yeah, he was worn out after all those holiday celebrations I took him to. We ran as fast as we could, then we came here to decompress in the Kiwi neighborhood.
I suppose it is getting late. Oh my, I hadn't noticed. It's just running low on holiday cheer. Let's sprinkle a little on there. Nothing brings joy like the sounds of people celebrating the most wonderful time of the year. Let's hear some holiday cheer, everyone.
He's in New Zealand working remote. Santa's at the beach, sunbathing to glow. We found Santa, he is home. He says, ho ho ho, ho 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 ho. Santa says, ho ho ho, ho 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 ho. Mrs. Claus, Rudolph, we all feel so happy. We found Santa, he is home. Santa's home.
Where is Santa? Where'd he go? Where is Santa? Where'd he go? Where is Santa? Nobody knows. Where is Santa? Bring him home. Where did Santa go? 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 Santa Claus, he needed relief. He needs to rest those hard-working feet. Santa Claus, Santa Claus, Santa Claus, he needed some rest. He did some self-care to do his best. Santa Claus, Santa Claus, where did Santa go? 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 Where did Santa go?